Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on working the foundation single crochet and joining it in the round. Be sure to check the description below for pattern links. Before we get started, the foundation single crochet is essentially a foundation chain and a single crochet worked at the same time. It's easiest to think of it as a chain and then a single crochet. I'll show you what I mean. I always like to start with a knotless slip knot, but you can use a traditional slip knot as well. Chain 2. The chain does not count as a stitch. Insert into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. This creates your chain. Yarn over and pull up the first loop of the single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete your single crochet. Insert your hook into the V created by the chain. Your hook should be under 2 loops here. Yarn over, pull up a loop to create a chain. Yarn over, pull up the first loop of the single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops to finish the single crochet. I like to think of it like this. Chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. If you just keep repeating that, you won't skip a step. Chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Continue working the foundation single crochet until 1 stitch before you reach your desired length. The last stitch of your round is created during the join. Insert your hook to create the chain portion of your foundation single crochet. Join the round with the first stitch created, making sure you don't twist your work. Insert your hook into the slip knot, or knotless slip knot in this case. Yarn over and slip stitch through the chain. This is also the first loop of your single crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops to finish the single crochet, and slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet of the round. That's all there is to working the foundation single crochet and joining it in the round. This gives a nice, stretchy finished edge. Remember to check the description for pattern links, and comment below to receive a special discount. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. If you have a video request, send me an email and subscribe to my blog at twistmystitch.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.